I'm not taking pictures. I'm recording this shit. I'm making a video out of that shit. It says, as I live, say the Lord, and it shall be fulfilled. She's like, I'm not with these people. Look at her.
They don't care. Good morning.
Yo, look at the camera. What is it?
Say good morning. Good morning.
How was I say?
Good morning, sir. I feel great tonight. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Go ahead, Catherine. Tell everybody good morning. Tell everyone have a good day. Have a good day.